Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix Windows 11 or 10 update error 0x8024A204. In case you are encountering error code 0x8024A204 while installing Windows updates on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. This video will be helpful. Error 0x8024A204 generally occurs when you try to install a cumulative update. The error is often accompanied by a message that reads, "There were problems installing some updates, but we are trying to again later to fix this issue." This error may occur due to Windows Update Services or its components. To fix the issue, first run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For that, click on this one Start button at the taskbar and then click on this one Settings option, or you can also press Windows plus I to open the Settings app directly on your Windows PC. After that, select System in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find Troubleshoot tile. This one, click on this one option. After that, click on this one Other Troubleshooters. Now, beside Windows Update, click on this one Run button and wait to detect and fix the issues by Windows PC. Once Windows Update runs properly, just restart your PC and see if the issue is resolved. In case it does not fix the issue, you need to clear the Windows Update cache. For that, first click on this one Start button and then type here CMD. In the search results, right click on this one Command Prompt Entry and select here Run as Administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on the Yes button. Now you need to type here net a stop. You need to stop some services. For that, type here net a stop WUAUACRB and then press enter on the keyboard. I will provide this one command in this one video description, so in case you need it you can copy it from there. After executing this one first command, you need to again issue the command net a stop and then bits. Now again press enter on the keyboard. In case it does not work, just leave it as it is. After that, close this one command prompt window and you need to rename Windows software distribution folder. For that, click on this one Start button and search for CMD and then right click on the command prompt entry and select here Run as Administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one Yes button. Now you need to copy and paste this one command from this one video description that will rename software distribution folder to software distribution.old. After copying and pasting this one command, press enter on the keyboard. Now you need to issue the command to start the services that you have stopped before. For that, you need to type here net net start and then WU Windows Update Services. For that, you need to issue the command net start WUAUSERV and then press enter on the keyboard. This will start the Windows Update Services that you have stopped before. After that, type here net start bits background intelligent services. you had tried to stop before. Just start this one also. Once this command gets completed successfully, close this one command prompt window. Now right click on this one, a start button, and select here run option. In the run dialog box, you need to check some services. For that, in the run dialog box, type services dot msc and then click on this one OK button to open services panel. Here you need to check Windows Update services. So select any service and then type here W and find the Windows Update services. It should be running. In case it is not running, right click on this one and choose here properties option, and then here check the this one option, a startup type should be set to automatic. In case it is not set to automatic, click on this one drop down menu and select automatic and then click on this one apply and then OK button. After that, right click on this one service and select here a start to start it, and to restart it you can use this one restart option. Once Windows Update services is okay, you need to move to the other services, that is BITS, Background Intelligent Transfer Service. So again press B on the keyboard to find this one Background Intelligence Transfer Service, and it should be also its status should be also running. After that you need to check one cryptographic services. Just press C to find this one cryptographic services. Cryptographic services, this one, it should be also in running position. And finally check the service that says Windows installer service. Windows installer, it should be also should be running. In case it is not running, in case in my PC, right click on it and click on this one a start option to start this one Windows installer service. After that you can restart your PC. These services work together to download, install, and manage updates in Windows environment. If none of these solutions work, you can manually download and install the updates. For that, you need to go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website. I will provide this one link in this one video description. Here you can search for updates by KB number or by Windows version. Whatever you are trying to install or you are getting this error, you can download that particular file from here and then you can install it on your Windows 11 or 10 PC manually, and hopefully this should fix the issue or this error issue on your Windows PC. That's all about this video. Bye.